Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to solve equations using Scilab. We will use this equation as an example, and before doing that we need to know how to define polynomial in Scilab. So here you see second order polynomial, and there is two possibilities to define this. First is using coefficients and second using roots. You see first representation here, I change that the order of the elements because the Scilab defines a polynomial starting with a lower order element and going to the higher order element. As you see here, the higher element or order element is a square here, and the roots of this polynomial is -1, -3. We will use both functions to define the polynomial. So I have prepared sample file here to save your time again, and so here you see poly keyword, which defines, we start defining the polynomial here. So the coefficients are 3, 4, 1, and here you see I write it again 3, 4, 1, and second element is here is a variable name. It can be s, x, y, z, anything you want. Just make sure that you included this one of variable name. And the third element is here is a flag which defines this polynomial created using coefficients or roots. You see here as two polynomials, I used R keyword. There is only two, either to use R or to C, and I use it here the roots of this polynomial, -1, -3, and the both methods will give the same result. Let's run this. As you see here, the both gives the same result, and then you can omit this flag here, but when you omit this flag, it assumes, Scilab assumes that you are defining the polynomial using roots. So as you see here, it would be this result. So let's do the following. As I told, our goal is to solve the equation. So let's create the equation using the elements of this this polynomial 3, 4, 1. But instead of writing coefficient, I write here root flag. So it will create another polynomial, obviously, as you see here, S4. And let's see what it looks like, and it's like that. S4 is 3 third order polynomial, and it has 3 roots, which is 3, 4, 1. And let's assume we don't know the roots and try to solve this. So there is only one nice command for these roots and polynomial name. So, and it will give us the solution. So the solution is 4, 3, 1, as we stated here. So whenever you want to find to solve the equation, you just define the polynomial using, for example, this coefficient. Let's do another example using coefficients. So we don't know the solution of this polynomial, S1, and I use again roots, S1. So as you see here, roots S1 gives even the complex numbers, as you see here, 2 complex conjugate and 1 real number. So it was the end of the tutorials. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to get any updates, any new tutorials. Thanks again.